గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు మన 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ చాప్టర్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, ఇఫ్ tan theta by 2 is equal to 1, then find the value of sin theta. So that is the question. Okay, let us start the solution. Given tan theta by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, but from the table tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Okay, therefore tan theta by 2 is equal to tan 45 degrees. Implies theta by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. Implies theta is equal to 45 degrees into 2, that is equal to 90 degrees. కానీ మనల్ని ఇక్కడ ఏం అడిగారు? sin theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to sin 90 degrees, which is equal to 1. That's it for today. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.